Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing delicious and nutritious snack that's packed with flavor and energy, Aussie bites. So let's start. I am adding all the ingredients directly into the food processor. Firstly, add 3 cups of quick oats. You can use rolled oats as well. Grind the oats using the pulse option. Check the texture in between. I am using 1/3 cup of brown sugar, but this is completely optional. Add 1/3 cup of sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, quinoa seeds, raisins, dates. You can add apricots as well. And lastly, the chia seeds. Add half teaspoon of baking powder and grind it. We don't want a fine powder, so check the texture in between. It looks good, so now I'll be adding all the wet ingredients. Firstly, 1/3 cup of oil and same quantity of butter and then honey. Grind it until it combines well. Lastly, I am adding few drops of vanilla essence, that is also optional. Scrape the sides and check the consistency. Once it starts binding together, it's ready. Grease a baking tray or you can use parchment paper. I want to make it in bite size, so I am using ice cream scoop for the shapes. Remaining mixture I will be baking in cupcake pan. Just press it gently using a spoon so that it will hold its shape once it's baked. Bake the Aussie bites at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Let them cool before removing and storing. These Aussie bites are perfect for a snack, breakfast on the go, or a healthy treat. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.